28, the Bad Badger, something nuts. Change up, go-tos. There's two of them, makes sense. Change up, the CBJ?
Time to work, soldiers.
That's right. That's freaking right. And I'm taking this terrible, look at this. Look at that. CBJ ain't gonna reach that far. What you thinking? Now we talking. Now we talking the appropriate range. Okay, if you're accurate. Anything is possible. Hey, let me get down on your level there for you, bud. On the ground. Oh. I hadn't finished reloading yet. That was up there. And I thought the teammate behind me was an enemy foe. So see, let's... Uh-oh. Come on. You know what? I'm gonna play the aggressive route. Woo! It's like, he's gotta be right above me. Or right there, like checking tail lights or something. It's not busted, bro. It's okay. Oh! Oh, look at that range. Look at that range. Look at this aiming. Look at this. Salvo? Oh, yeah, I didn't fall in my... There we go. Rain hellfire. Holy diver! Destroying SATCOMs, that's good. I don't think I've actually gotten a kill, though. Who needs accuracy when you got 51 rounds? Huh? Nobody. Not me.
Enemy SATCOM spotted.
He almost got away with that. I don't like the tone. Reload, reload. Oh, I don't have sleight of hand yet. Woo! Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. No, you are behind me. And I don't like it when you're behind me. Oh, I'm hearing footage. There we go. I call you reload so often. Well, I like to be prepared. What in the world are you talking about? Reload. You get a kill with the real gun. Oh, wow, you switch to the real gun, you get outplayed. Ridiculous. Let's see if we can't go back and get this man. Sneaky. Ba-da-dum, bum, 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 ba-da-dum, bum, bum. Don't you kill my teammates like that. Look at my head. I don't like doing that. I'm gonna go around this way. Or, you know, actually I'm gonna go back over here and get this guy that apparently nobody on my team can kill. Oh, no, it seems like he's doing fine now. Wow, I was looking up there at the doorway. Not right there. It's okay, payback is a bitch. Ooh. It's when in doubt. It's a dangerous run. It's a dangerous run. Back behind you. Back behind you. Be smart. Think smart. Let's kill the faggot in the window. Oh, wow! Through a brick wall. Through a brick wall. That was just... I just wanted to try it. Why not? Prepared. I'm sorry, honey. I'm mad at you. What? What in the world are you talking about? You get a kill.